All right. Let's go to multiplying positive numbers. Let's start with something a little bit basic here. Let's not get too hard ahead of ourselves. And then what we'll do is we'll get into a little bit more some confusing topics. So when multiplying positive numbers, there's two kind of ways I like to always show multiplying numbers, because we have to remember a lot of times we might get stuck and be like, oh crap, what is this times this, right? So to do that, if we can visualize, at least understand the concept of multiplying numbers, it's going to help us out. So let's do 2 times 5, all right? And I know this is kind of a basic one, but if we can understand the basic problem, then what that's going to allow us to do is we can transfer that now to more difficult problems, so we'll be able to figure out. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do this. One is the way that I showed you how to represent the commutative property, which states that 2 times 5 is equal to 5 times 2. And when I did that, what I showed you is 2 times 5 means 2 sets of the addition of 5. So it means 5 plus 5, or we could write it as 5 sets of 2, which have been 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So either way, if you want to go and count them up now, addition, we're pretty used to just adding these up. So if we just count these, 5 plus 5, we know equals 10. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. So there you go. We can use multiplication by reverting it down to addition. Now, why does this work? How does this add? So let me show you one other way I want to do this, and that's by using the number line. So on the number line, we have a set of numbers, a distance from 0. So let's just count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what they're saying is 2 sets of 5. So that means I could do 5, but there's 2 of them, right? So each one of these bars is a set of 5, is 5 distance. Since I have 2 of them, I go to 10. Or we could do it 2 sets of 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see both ways it gives it back to 10. So that is a basic little rundown again of multiplying 2 positive numbers.